Hi everyone, I am Mohit and you're watching ATM All Things Mohit. Today I have with me two more cameras from Ring. One is called Stick Up Cam Battery and another one is Stick Up Cam Plugin. So the difference between these two is in the name itself. This one runs on battery power, this one needs to be plugged in. However, the range of products that Ring has all uses a common battery framework. So if you have a extra battery lying around or if you want to buy a battery, you can even convert this one into a battery operated camera. So as you would have seen in some of my previous videos, I'm big on Ring and I feel home automation products by Ring is really good, and I'm also looking at the professional monitoring option, so I thought I'll add up a couple of Ring cameras to the mix. So with the Ring alarm kit you get motion sensors, but if you do want to monitor your home inside or outside with cameras, I think these are really good options. So I just got two of them and I'm going to unbox it. We'll get straight to it. So like other Ring products, it's pretty straightforward. They have these stickers on either side, easy to peel off. I'll just keep them to the side. And even the box, it should be pretty straightforward with this one because I have it open. What I'll do is I'll open this box also at the same time so that we can take stuff out of both of them simultaneously, and then you can see what the difference is. Uh, with respect to Ring, they have multiple video monitoring options. So if you just have one of these cameras, you can go for a $3 a month plan, or you can go for additional $3 for each camera. While if you start adding these cameras to the mix, you can go for the $10 a month or $100 per year monitoring plan, and that also gives you the Ring Protect Plus, which is professional monitoring. So pretty similar things. I'll try not to mix them. Both of them come with their barcodes to scan. These Ring stickers, each of the Ring products come with it. So you stick them on the windows to let people know, or like intruders know, not to come into your house. It is well protected. Both of them have a guide. This one says Stick Up Cam Battery and this one is Stick Up Cam Plugin. So I'll also keep this here. Both are encouraging me to sign up for the professional monitoring. Okay, and has some more details on it and some more details. I believe this is with respect to the product specification, batteries and so on. I'll continue to unbox it, say hello to Ring, standard cardboards. I'll keep it to the side. This is where the difference in the boxes comes into play. As you notice, this box is a bit bigger because it would have an adapter to plug into the camera, and this one is just having the battery. So I have set one of these up previously. It is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is you have to take the camera out and plug in the battery. Once you do that, you follow the instructions in the app, and it does take a while for it to get updated. They perform over-the-air updates. So as I mentioned, this one is a battery version. So all you need to do is kind of take this battery out. If you want to mount it, they also give you screws and other equipment to do so. I keep these stuff back inside the box, and we'll get to the other box and see what's inside this one. So pretty similar to the previous one. This one also has a camera, and as I said, if you want to stick up the battery into this one, you can do so. So if I decide that okay, I don't want to wire it up, I can use the same battery pretty much in this camera as well. So the camera in itself is not going to differ much. It's just the way it gets the power. This is where the difference lies. So the same mounting screws in this one, I'll keep it back in here so that I don't lose them and have trouble finding them later. And then, as you can notice, pretty big wires. So I believe it is kind of an extendable version. So if I have to mount it, this is coming with the mounting kit. And if I believe I have to place it somewhere else and I can work with the shorter wire, I think this is for it. I'll have to figure this out later. So as I said, pretty straightforward. We'll perform the initial steps. So you, at the back of it, it has a lock and unlock mechanism. You just twist this and pull it out and it kind of comes out. You take the battery, you slide it in this direction. All you need to do is you have to line up this line, which you can see here, and put it in the unlock and then turn it towards the lock position.
Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
So as I said, pretty intuitive. All you need to do is unbox it and then follow the instructions in the Ring app, wherein you can set it up. If I want, I can do the same thing. Once I have the battery plugged in, I can even plug in the battery here to get this done. But what I would rather do is I would plug it in so that I perform the setup accordingly. And these cameras work really well. You have live play that you can trigger from the application. It does of course give you an option to set up the motion zones, which would trigger the play or motion notifications. There are three modes in Ring. One is disarmed, one is home, one is away. If you want to look at live mode and disarmed or home mode, you would just need to go into the configuration settings of this device and make that change there. That is something that I did need Ring support's help to figure out, because the live mode was only coming on when the whole alarm or the Ring app was in away mode. So you go into the settings, so you would be able to look at the camera even when you are in the home. It is disarmed, you are on a different floor, or maybe you're outside and you want to know what's going on in your home. So you can snoop in, and from there on it's pretty straightforward, simple. You just stick them up and they do the job. Ring does recommend that you don't place them facing direct sunlight. So if you're doing that, it would give you a warning, or it would ask you how you're placing it. And that is if you're placing them inside your house, or you don't place them wherein they are facing a heat source, else it can trigger false motion detection. You can place them outside. They are not a bad option to do that. But if you want to do that, I would say check out the Ring Spotlight camera or the floodlight cameras, which are dedicatedly made for outside usage. So with these ones, I don't think you can go wrong. It's pretty straightforward. If you have the Ring Home Alarm Kit and you don't want to add more motion sensors but want to track it using cameras, this one would be a nice addition. So hopefully this video was informative for you. Not much of a difference between the two. As you can see, I'm placing them together, pretty much the same height. The only change between the two, or difference between the two, is one gets battery powered, one is powered through the plug-in cables that we have. And from there on, they are pretty similar. So hope you like the video, and thanks for watching. I am Mohit. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any comments and feedback, please share them and I'll try to get back to you. And if there are any other gadgets that you want me to unbox or review, feel free to drop that in the comments. Thanks for watching.